Hey everyone in Peshawar and nearby areas. Are you thinking about going solar? That's awesome. But wait, before you focus only on the panels, let's talk about the unsung hero of your system, the structure holding it all together. A weak foundation can ruin your entire investment. That's where we at Expert Power come in. We specialize in providing super strong, heavy-duty MS Girder solar structures. We don't cut corners. We use authentic, robust 16-gauge channel steel to build a frame that guarantees strength and durability for decades. This means your panels stay safe and secure no matter the weather. And the best part, for a limited time, we're offering this top-tier structure fabrication and professional installation for just 6,500 PKR. Give your solar system the rock-solid base it deserves. Call Expert Power today at 034 888 11734 to secure your installation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great offers.